Hey guys, it's me again in the same day. I just got this package and it's like 6:15 by the time I'm recording this. So wow, in the same day, another trivia. So I wonder what it is. I really have no idea what this is. I'm trying to be careful not to cut what's inside it. So there's no way I could have cut what's inside because it's got that. Alright. Okay. Oh my gosh. More paper. Okay. Huh? Gorilla Glue. Just in this really big package. Alright. Whatever. Just this small thing of Gorilla Glue. Okay, so why do I have Gorilla Glue? Here's an idea. So off of eBay, I ordered my my Spider-Man 1 superposable action figure, which is broken. Yeah. So I got Gorilla Glue to fix that. So I'm just gonna fix it and then show you the figure later. Alright guys, so Gorilla Glue actually works. See? Joints are loose, but that was like that when I got this figure. So wow, my figure is actually fixed now. See, this still works too. He can kick and it's just gonna stay in place. Wow, I am happy with this. I'm happy with this figure now. Now that it's fixed. I don't know why I got such a big box for Gorilla Glue. But I guess I'll never know. Alright, well, thanks for watching.